Hey friends, this is Atif Opir and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, SushiSwap formed another up channel. And this was my last video that I shared 2 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then, by the way, this is a 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that the price line of SushiSwap broke out the resistance of this channel, this up channel. And the target that I was telling you for this expected breakout was here approximately at $2.03, and you can see that the price then moved beyond that target. And during this move, SushiSwap has successfully broken out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone from the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of April 2024. Before that, it has been breaking at a very strong resistance on here, resistance on here, resistance on here, and resistance on here in the month of May 2022 as well. Therefore, again, it was breaking at a strong resistance, but now after this breakout, it can be flipped into a strong long-term support zone. Recently, after breaking out this resistance zone, the price line is rejected by the next long-term resistance of $2.75. And by the way, this $2.75 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here from the month of Feb 2022 up till the month of March 2022. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Zcash, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 29th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target line. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap, and first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that despite SushiSwap formed a bearish bias move, that was an up channel. It was forming nicely forming higher highs and higher lows, but this channel is considered as a bullish bias. Eventually, the pricing can break down the support, but in this situation, we have broken out the resistance of the channel, and after the breakout, the price line has also broken out a quite long-term resistance on that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. The target that we were expecting as for this measurement, the technical target was approximately at $2.04, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond the target up to $2.81, and it is rejected. Despite this long spike, the pricing could not break out the next resistance of $2.75. That is a very significant resistance. Now we need to keep an eye on this resistance and this support zone that starts from $2 and goes to $1.60. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance zone has been working as a resistance on here and resistance on here, resistance on here. For several months, it has been working as a resistance on there. For now, it can work as a strong support zone for the price line of SushiSwap. And we have also hit the target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern as well. And now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $22 or somewhere between $22 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.